Want to say hi to the camera? Hey everyone, so we're uploading this week's video and I wanted to put a little challenge out there. I technically right now have 2 new videos, and if we can get, what do you think, Elspeth? What do you think? If we can get 25? If we can get 25 shares in the first day, we will post the second video. Do you think that's fair? Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoy this week's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stone House. So after looking through the comments and talking with Sarah over the last week, we've decided to make a couple changes with the plug and switch layout in this first bedroom that we're doing. The first thing I did is I moved the switch for the closet lights from here to the inside of the closet. And we're gonna do one of those automatic sensor switches. I think that's gonna, one, be nice. The fact that you will just open the closet door and the light switch will just automatically come on. It also alleviates the issue of someone hitting the switch here thinking it's going to turn on the lights to the room when in fact it's just a light to the closet. So I think it simplifies things quite a bit. I also added a plug-in to the front of this closet wall down here. That's a great placement for a plug. That was from one of the subscribers. They told me to do that, and it's a really good idea. The fact that that plug right there will never be covered up with anything. So if you come in here with a vacuum cleaner, you'll always be able to reach that plug in easily and vacuum. And then a lot of people said that I'm crazy for not just putting a plug on the inside of this closet. One of my subscribers said, it's better to want and have than want and have not. I hope I got that right. If you ever want a plug in your closet, well then we'll have it. So it just makes sense. So thanks for all the suggestions. That's one of the good parts of being caught up with the footage, is that now you can make a comment and I can go back and fix something before it's too late. Where before I was 3, 4, 5 weeks ahead, and by the time you saw the footage, it was already long done. So yeah, so keep those comments and ideas coming. I really appreciate it. Now that we've fixed a couple of the issues that we wanted to fix from last week, I'm gonna move on to bedroom number 2, and we're gonna be putting the electrical boxes up in that bedroom. It should go a lot faster now that I've got my method down. So I'll just explain what we've done here. A plug right here. We're gonna put some plugs right here. And that's for this desk area. If you have a laptop or something, you can plug something in right here. This is probably gonna be where the bed goes, but just in case they put the desk in the corner here, then you've got some plugs. I put my double here because I'm assuming the desk will actually go in this corner. So I like to have a double and another single here, so you have lots of plugs for the desk area. Another one here, just kind of a, why not kind of thing. I like 2 on this back wall. I did put one back here in the closet. I just need to get a 2x6 right here, and this is where the switch for the bedroom's gonna go. And then I'm gonna put another plug right here. So that's it for this room. Next, I'm gonna move on to this bedroom number 1. that's the 3 bedrooms up here. And now I can do this hallway space. So for the 6th time, I'm gonna probably move this wood. And I've decided this wood here is gonna go probably on the ceiling downstairs. So I think I'm gonna take the time to actually just put this downstairs once and for all. Bedroom number 3 is all good. Bedroom number 2, they're all in. Bedroom number 1, they all look really good. The only thing I haven't done yet is in 2 of my bedrooms I have this really high ceiling area, and we know that we need to have a light probably back in here. If we don't put a light up and in there, then when the lights for this room are on, it's gonna cast a shadow down. Same over here. Just really high ceilings. And I'm gonna put a light right there in the center. Right now I have enough plugs. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the laundry room area. It should be rather simple. To recap the laundry room area, basically the washer, dryer, I've got the bigger plugs for those because they're 240 volt or 220 volt. And then I put another plug on the very end. That would be just good, easy access for here, for this area. We got another plug in right over there. So obviously we're overdoing plugs, but that's okay. And then over here, I've got another plug. That will be easy access. I did all my plugs upstairs except for this one bathroom. And I'm gonna call that good. The reason I'm not doing the bathroom is I don't really know the layout yet. I don't really know where the shower and the tub and everything's gonna go. And I don't wanna just do something and then have to redo it. So I'm gonna think about this bathroom over the next week. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Hey guys.
Hi.
I didn't know you were coming. Yeah, those are the 2x6s I need. Oh, I hope they're long enough. Jeez, it's gonna be close. I just locked the door. I was leaving. So. Stone wall.
I'm saying that you're doing.
Yes.
That's right.
Thanks.
What? And I was waiting on the GDP. You did a good job.
Thanks.
Look at all these electric boxes. I can't believe you did all this. When did you do it?
This morning.
What did you write, babe?
Liana.
You put your sister's name on her wall there?
Yeah.
That was nice of you.
Look, I love Jace. J-A-C-E.
That's nice.